Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Check the battery percentage and make sure the iPhone is unlocked. Once done, pull down Control Center from the top right on Face ID phones or swipe up on older models. This gets you to quick toggles. If you see a low power mode or battery icon, tap it to disable. This is the fastest route. Make sure to watch the battery icon change color. It signals that background activity will resume, so expect some apps to refresh. If Control Center didn't work or you want certainty, go to Settings, tap Battery, then toggle Low Power Mode off. This is definitive. Once done, check Settings Focus and Shortcuts because automations or focus modes can turn low power mode back on. Disable any automation that triggers it at certain battery levels. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled for apps you want updating. If you rely on scheduled low power, edit or remove the schedule so it doesn't re-enable unexpectedly. Now finish with a restart. Hold the side button and volume button, slide to power off, then restart. This ensures system processes apply the change. Make sure your iOS is up to date. Updates fix bugs that keep low power mode stuck. If the mode still re-enables, reset all settings to clear misconfigured automations or backup and restore as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: if resetting fails, contact Apple support. There may be a firmware issue or a hardware-related battery reporting problem.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.